idea what you just did?
I was just trying to help.
Well, your help this morning messed us up so badly, we came this close to being wiped out at the mall. I thought you would have learned your lesson.
But
no. You show up again to help, and now Baljeet's been Hulkified and is rampaging who knows where. And we're back to square one with restoring the hero's powers.
But...
This is just too important, and we can't afford any more setbacks. I'm revoking your shed card. You have to go, now.